DAC Worldwide's Pump Maintenance and Alignment Training System Plus is a realistic benchtop training system relating to industrial pumps. Using an actual standard ANSI centrifugal pump, the training system allows for instruction in the complete teardown and assembly procedure for this common pump type. Additionally, a clear acrylic backhead is provided, allowing for realistic instruction in pump packing procedures and the installation of mechanical seals. Further, a simulated motor element is provided, allowing for training in shaft alignment. This motor element, through movable flanged bearings, allows for variation in angular and parallel misalignment. Contact your DAC representative today to find out more.